prize goes to Pivu Kumari and third prize goes to Ram Sagar Singh Vindhya. From class 1, first prize goes to Harshita Munda, second prize goes to Preeti Kumari and third prize goes to Jennifer. From class 2, from class 2, first prize goes to Subhash Kahan, second prize goes to Ruth Lagda, third prize goes to Astha Bara. From class 3, first prize goes to Kushagra. यदि बच्चे को आप लेकिन आएंगे पेरेंट्स प्रेजेंट है तो पेरेंट्स के लिए second prize goes to Ravi and third prize goes to Hitesh. From class 4, first prize goes to Sampati, second prize goes to Salomi Linda and third prize goes to Urmila. From class 5, first prize goes to Ravi Shankar, second prize goes to Vishal Lohra and third prize goes to Anand Munda. These are the winners for English handwriting competition. Now I would like to call Mr. Narayan for giving the awards to our students. The winners for drawing competition winners from class nursery, first prize goes to Isha Vela, second prize goes to Anuru and third prize goes to Anay Kashyap. From class LKG, first prize goes to Sejal, second prize goes to Shanvi and third prize goes to Ritika Munda. From class LKG, first prize goes to Sejal Lakda, second prize goes to Shanvi Runda, third prize goes to Ritik Munda. From class UKG, first prize goes to Vishal Tirgi, second prize goes to Arav Bara, third prize goes to Angel Tika. From class 1, first prize goes to Isha Anitika, second prize goes to Abhishek Halgo, third prize goes to Ismail Tutti. From class 2, first prize goes to Astha Bara, second prize goes to Aradhya Tika, third prize goes to Suraj Munda. From class 3, first prize goes to Aditya Kashyap, second prize goes to Eric Elvin Lakda, third prize goes to Arpit Lakda. From class 4, first prize goes to Shubham Munda, second prize goes to Rani Kumari and third prize goes to Ramesh Tutti. From class 5, first prize goes to Aditya Tika, second prize goes to Aradhya opted in, Sister Mary Sanjana, to give award to our winners for Hindi allocation. So the winners for Hindi allocation are from class 5, first prize goes to Vishal Lohra, second prize goes to Vishal Lakda, third prize goes to Pramila Kumari. From class 4, first prize goes to Pratima Kumari, second prize goes to Suryanshu, third prize goes to Rani Kumari. From class 3, first prize goes to Rupesh Lal, second prize goes to Neelam Lal, third prize goes to Amrish Mahato. From class 2, first prize goes to Tushar Lal, second prize goes to Suraj Munda, third prize goes to Sonu Ram Munda. From class 1, first prize goes to Jennifer, second prize goes to Harshita Munda, third prize goes to Isha Elitika. From class UKG, first prize goes to Tamanna Lal, second prize goes to Megha, third prize goes to Pratiksha Lakda. From class 1, first prize goes to Jennifer, second prize goes to Harshita, third prize goes to Isha Elitika. From class UKG, first prize goes to Tamanna, second Megha, and third prize goes to Pratiksha. From class LKG, first prize goes to Ashu Bihal, second prize goes to Aparna Kumari, and third prize goes to Alex Tigga. First prize goes to Ashu Bihal, second prize goes to Aparna, and third prize goes to Alex Tigga. From class nursery, first prize goes to Abhishek Lohra, second prize goes to Isha Belarunda, and third prize goes to Suman Kumari.
Sorry,